How to simplify the divorce process with step-by-step planning. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with divorce661.com. Divorce can feel overwhelming, so many forms, deadlines, and emotions all at once. But with the right step-by-step plan, you can simplify the process and move through it with clarity and confidence. Let's talk about how to take control of your divorce with smart planning. The key to keeping things simple is knowing what comes next. Most people get stuck not because the process is too complex, but because they don't have a clear roadmap. That's why we break everything down into manageable phases: file, serve, disclose, agree, and finalize. It starts with the initial filing. Once the petition is submitted and the case is opened, the next big step is serving your spouse, legally and properly. From there, you move into financial disclosures, where both parties list all income, property, debts, and assets. After disclosures, if you're in agreement, you can draft a settlement agreement. This is where we detail how everything is divided and wrap up the case with a judgment package that the court can approve. We helped a couple recently who felt completely stuck after filing. Once we laid out a step-by-step timeline with clear action items, they moved from overwhelmed to fully finalized in under 30 days. At Divorce 661, we simplify the process for you with a clear plan from day one. We handle all the paperwork, deadlines, and court filings, so you always know what's done and what's next. If you want to take the stress and guesswork out of your divorce, visit divorce661.com for a free consultation. We'll walk you through every step, keep things moving, and help you get to the finish line faster and more peacefully.